Before applying the press-on nails, it's important to prep your nails properly or else they will fall off. So first things first, clip your nails, file them down, buff your nails. This will create a stronger bond. Push back your cuticles. This will create a longer lasting mani. Now this is one of the most important steps. Please wipe your nails very good with the alcohol pad, as you do not want any oils on your nails or this will not create a good bond. Okay, we're finally ready to apply the press-on nails. If you want a more temporary look, you can use these adhesive tabs, which will last you about a day. All you need to do is find the right sizes that will fit your nail and apply. Just make sure your nails are not too big or too small. If they're too small, they may cause some pain. If it's too big, they may fall off. If you want a stronger bond, you can even apply a little bit of the nail glue. And press and hold firmly for 15 to 30 seconds. And voila, you got a perfect nail in seconds. The second way to apply if you want your nails to last 14 to 21 days is to use the nail glue. Apply the nail glue evenly on the press-on nail and on your natural nail. And press and hold firmly for 15 to 30 seconds. And the third option is to use our brush-on nail glue. With the precision brush, it will allow you to apply an even layer of glue. This method also lasts 14 to 21 days. If you accidentally get nail glue on the nail, you can use your debonder to remove it. Just get a little bit of alcohol and a little pad and wipe it away. All of our nail sets are fully customizable. You can cut, file, or paint them any way you want. And don't forget to hydrate those cuticles for that fresh mani look.